Hey guys, what's going on and welcome to my channel. This is my 2001 Jeep Wrangler TJ 4.0 5-speed manual. And today I'm going to show you guys how to wire up the daytime running lights on your newly purchased aftermarket headlights. Now I haven't seen too many videos of people doing this, so I decided to do it for you guys. So these are my new headlights. They look really dope, really cool. There's going to be a link in the description down below if you guys want to cop the same ones, want to get the same ones. But let's get into it. So there's gonna be 3 connections on the headlight. This green one obviously connects to the harness to power your low beams and high beams. The smaller green one here is from the turn signal. I left it disconnected, it's not my thing. It flashes orange, but some people think it's cool. If that's your thing, cool. If not, cool. Then the red one here for the daytime running lights. So you're gonna wanna connect the wire that came in the kit. I chose red. It's either gonna be red or green. I chose red to match red. So you're gonna just connect it there. Then you're gonna run it across the radiator all the way to the other headlight on the other side. And then you're gonna connect the red wire to the red wire. Here you can see the green wire still disconnected. And then you're gonna wanna take another wire and then splice into that red connection. I don't know if you get a better view. Here, my finger's pointing, that's where I spliced another wire here, which is gonna be a power wire that's gonna connect to the daytime lights and then feed to the other light on the other side as well. So, I ran the wire on the fender across here, and then I spliced it into another wire just because I was worried that I wouldn't reach all the way to the fuse panel behind the glove box. Yeah, I used the fuse panel behind the glove box. I did not use the fuse box under the hood because all of those fuses were hot, which means that the daytime running lights is gonna be on all the time. Even if you shut off the car, it would still be on. So the wire is here. You run it across the firewall all the way up into this grommet here. You guys can see it here. You push out that grommet from the inside, and a better way to do it is to poke a hole in the middle of the grommet and then feed the wire through using a coat hanger or something. The way I did it here is not that good because over time, I believe the wire could lead to chafing and the daytimes would not work because the wire would ground out or something. So learn from my mistakes, guys. Just poke a hole through the middle of the grommet and feed the wire through. Onto the inside. Shut that shit off. I don't know if you guys can see, it's kind of dark in here, but here's the grommet on the inside. You guys can't really see the green wire, I don't think, but the green wire's here. You're gonna wanna feed the green wire under the dash to the passenger side. See, here's a shifter, behind the dash, you feed the green wire, or whatever color wire you have, I don't know. You feed it through to the passenger side. And then here's the green wire here, you can kind of see it. You guys can see it right there. You take off the glove box. It's really simple to take that off. It's like a little strap holding it in place. You just pull it out and it basically just falls out. But here's the wire. You grab it from below, pull it up here. Now you're gonna wanna need a fuse tap. You're gonna wanna have a fuse tap. There's gonna be a link in the description for that as well. And the fuse that I pulled out and decided to use was number 15, which is the radio, right? So every time the radio's on, the daytime run lights are on. You shut it off, it's gonna shut off with it. But the fuse tap, it requires 2 fuses. So I have a soft top Jeep. I don't need the rear window defroster or the rear window wiper. So I just chose one of those, which is number 17. I took out the fuse from 17 up top and put it into the fuse tap. fuse tab, which now has the radio fuse and the rear wiper fuse. So yeah, that's pretty much it. It's a really simple installation, guys. If you guys enjoyed the video, if it helped you guys out, please just like and subscribe. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments down below. I'll do my best to try to answer them. Thank you so much, everyone, for watching. Later.